Top 5 Induction Cooktops for Home 2023 Best Inductions.
Number 1. Subscribe Tech Read channel.
Philips Viva Collection 2100 watt induction cooktop with feather touch sensor and crystal glass plate.
Number 2.
Havells alloy steel Instacook 1600 watt induction cooktop.
Number 3.
Usha Cookjoy 1600 watt induction cooktop.
Number 4.
Prestige 1600 watt induction cooktop with push button.
Number 5. Subscribe Tech Read channel.
5G on ABS plastic Acer Plus induction cooktop 1800 watts with feather touch control.
Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to follow our Telegram channel.